Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this up&up brand Sport Sunscreen Lip Balm, SPF 50 to protect your lips from the sun. So this is comparable to Banana Boat Sport Performance Sunscreen Lip Balm. And that's cool, Reef Conscious Formula. That's a little newer from up&up, which is Target's brand. Here's the back. Excuse me, a little sniffly today. This is my chapstick of choice nowadays, so shoot, I don't know why. Oh, there we go. Show you all what this looks like. Oh, dang. Oh, there we go. Too much pressure opening on camera for you guys. Sorry for the lack of videos lately. I'm back for more. So here's what it looks like. Let me focus. UVA, UVB, directions, apply liberally to all exposed areas 15 minutes before sun exposure. And again, sorry, a little snuffly today. And there you have it. It is a nice SPF chapstick that I use daily. So, yep, hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. See you next time. Hope you're doing well. Bye.